On social media, I noticed seeing this caramelized onion pasta frequently and decided to try and make it and give my thoughts on it. I start off with thinly slicing 4 onions to caramelize, as well as parsley to garnish later on. On medium heat, I'll start to melt down 4 tablespoons of butter for 40 minutes or until we lose patience. We are also going to boil down our pasta water, also saving some pasta water for later on for our sauce. For the sauce, I'm grating around 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. Now that the onions look like this, we can start to add it to the blender. For the sauce, we start with 3 egg yolks, 2 garlic cloves, but in this case I had roasted garlic already on hand, half a cup of olive oil, 1 cup of the grated Parmesan cheese, a crack of black pepper, and a bit of the pasta water as we're going to gradually add it in. And now we're going to blend into a smooth consistency for around 60 seconds. I am gradually adding more water in order to get a smoother consistency. It should look similar to this and we're ready to mix everything together. For personal preferences, I'm adding shrimp to this pasta for extra protein. Now we combine everything to make sure everything is fully incorporated with the pasta and the sauce. Optionally, you can garnish with parsley and chili flakes. After tasting this, easily I give it a 9 out of 10. It is a very easy, comforting, creamy pasta and is easy to make, as I'll definitely make it again. Hope you guys enjoyed.